Victor Echo 3, Delta, India, Germany.
DIG, is that a Roger?
Yeah, Roger, Roger.
Roger, and what's the name there?
Yeah, the name here is Caesar, Charlie Echo Sierra, Alpha Romeo Echo, and I'm located near the city of Toronto, just listening in there, and thought I'd come by and say hello.
Roger, Caesar, and what radio are you running, sir?
I'm with the, right now at the moment, using the ICOM 7800.
Alrighty, if you'd be interested in a setup procedure, first to verify that you're in the 100 to 2900 transmit bandpass mode.
Yeah, that's, I'm running on the 100 to 2900. I just want to mention I do have an external equalizer in line. I have I'm not sure if you're familiar with the UR6QW, it's Ukrainian equalizer, 10-band equalizer, Jim, over.
Not familiar with that, but I would suggest running either your outboard totally or your inboard totally. Don't run both at the same time, Roger.
Yeah, okay. I'm pretty well just using the outboard right now. I have everything pretty well flat in the radio.
Yes, sir. So our setup procedure starts with your compressor engaged at a 3 out of 10 or 30 out of 100, just a third of its capabilities. Roger?
Yeah, okay, very good. Yeah, it's sitting in between 0 and 5 there, Jim.
Out of how many?
The compression is, the scale on the ICOM is, I'm running the compressor through the radio. I don't have a compressor on the outboard equalizer, so that's off. So I'm running through the radio compressor. It shows here 0 to, I believe, 30 dB.
Alrighty, so actually you probably should be on a 10 to get a third of that. If it goes 0 to 30, if you were on a 10, that would be a third of it, Roger?
Yeah, okay, very good. Yeah, I mean, if I say audio, it's about 9 or 10 there.
Alrighty, now we would move to the ALC with mic gain in hand, and as you say that magic word, audio, drag the A out. Don't stress it too hard, but just drag it out, audio, and as you say that word, adjust your mic gain until your ALC reading is mid-scale to 2/3.
Okay, very good. Audio. 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 Yeah, so it's about 80% there.
Alrighty, now give me about 10 seconds and tell me about your antenna system. And you need to work that mic consistently the same way as you did your audio. Work it just like that, Roger?
Yeah, okay, very good, Jim. Well, the antenna system here is I'm using a rotatable dipole for 40 meters. I just put it up last weekend, so it's sitting about 70 feet on the tower, about 42 feet long. So that's the antenna that I'm running right now, Jim. I do have another 40-meter antenna, which is a double bazooka for 40 and 80. Back to you, KC9VKV, VV3DIG.
Roger, Caesar. I just took a kind of a hit there. You went down, so I couldn't really tell. Let me pull back to Milford and see what we got there. And just tell me about the best thing you like about your radio.
Yeah, okay. Radio. Yeah, okay, very good, Jim. Well, this radio here is one of my favorites, the ICOM 7800. My older radio that I have in the shack here, but it's a fantastic radio. Great receiver, great build on it. Feels solid. Can't go wrong with the ICOM 7800. Back to you.
Roger, Roger, Caesar. Well, I went down to Georgia, and you were about 5 dB hotter there than up on Milford for some reason. Usually it's just the opposite, but right now you're you're banging away down in Georgia. I would consider maybe adding a 3 clicks additional treble EQ, 3 clicks boost treble EQ from where you are.
3 clicks boost treble EQ from where you are. Okay, on the radio itself.
Well, gosh, I would. Would it be that difficult on the outboard to do that?
Would it be that difficult on the outboard to do that? No, not really. I mean, this outboard equalizer runs from 90 hertz to 4.5 kilohertz. So we have 90, 150, 220, 350. 500, 800, 1.3K, 2K, 2.9K, and then 4.5K.
Yes, sir. 2.9 plus 3. 2.9 plus 3. And do you have, can you adjust the width of your EQ curve, or are you fixed on the width?
Are you fixed on the width? I believe I'm fixed with the width. Yeah, I don't see anything here that's got the width, Jim, over.
Okay, so 2.9 plus 3. 2.9 plus 3.
Plus 3. 2.9 plus 3.
That's plus 3 additional from where you are.
We just moved the 2.9 3 clicks up. Now, the scale on this equalizer goes from plus 12 dB to minus 12 dB. So right now that 2.9 is sitting about 6 dB with the additional 3 clicks.
Yeah, I was, and I'm glad you did that. I meant plus 3 from where you are, and that's what you did, so that's good. Gosh, why don't you tell me in 10 seconds or so about the best thing you like about your radio, and let me listen to you now. About the best thing you like about your radio, and let me listen to you now.
Yeah, okay, very good. Running here with the ICOM 7800, an older radio that I have in the shack. Great radio, great receiver. The layout is very simple to use. Great setup on the radio. To run this radio, KC9VKV VE3DIG.
Roger, Roger. Caesar, now I got you back on my local antenna for a minute. Why don't you give me a plus 2 clicks boost at 100 cycles?
Okay, so do you want the bottom end to go up a couple?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So we don't have the 100, but we have the 90. So 2 clicks up on the 90. That's what we did from the original setting that we had before. So 2 clicks up on the 90 hertz. Over.
Roger, Roger. And I was listening on my local antenna. You're nice and flat down the line there, really nice, and exceptionally nice on the SDRs since they're rolling off. So if you want to hear your audio, if you go to YouTube, call it a search, KC9VKV followed by the word logbook. That will take you to this recording. It'll be cut number 1 in a series of 2200 Qso-Vlog air check recordings, and I'll have it uploaded by noon tomorrow. Roger.
I'll have it uploaded by noon tomorrow. Roger. Okay, very good, Jim. Well, thanks for the help. I've been trying to hear, but I've been trying to get. All radios are different, and the ICOM 7800. As you know, the ICOMs you have the treble and the bass only, and I had this US6QW box equalizer that I had. So I mean. I think it's a good addition to the radio. I mean, the ICOM sounds good on its own, but this gives it a little bit more if you choose But yeah, I'll be going on your YouTube there, and I'll listen in tomorrow. See how that sounds. Back to you, KC9VKV VE3DIG.
Roger, Roger. And now we have the chevron on the right side that shows where we are at the moment as far as what SDR we're in, or whether we're on the 7300 or just where the audio is coming from. So you can look at that as we go around and see what your signal is at various places around the country. And like I say, we'll have this uploaded by noon tomorrow. And keep in mind also that the SDRs are rolling out at about 250 cycles or so. So when I'm on that 7300, we're flat down to 100 cycles. Roger?
Orders and stopped building the wall right after the election, leaving us vulnerable to illegals, criminals, and foreign terrorists.
Attention there, but
Obama,
I got
George
everything there, Jim.
Soros,
No
and
problem.
Joe Biden.
Some attention there, but maybe next time I'll have my other radio. We can give it a
This
go with
isn't
one
the
of the
America
other
our
radios.
soldiers fought and died for.
Thanks for
Why
that.
are there homeless veterans living on the street?
Roger, Roger, CESARE-VE3DIG, sir. Thanks for dropping by. We do have some inconsiderate a-holes messing with my free speech. I do not appreciate folks messing with my free speech. You know, in another time, another place, I would be coming looking for you with a 12-gauge shotgun. So just be glad that this is not that time. You know, it's not nice to key on other folks and mess up their conversations. You know, it's just, you know, we got them. But thank gosh it is time that I look by the clock and I see there's a dead fly. Ooh, so I got to get out of here. We'll say 73 all, and if you participated and wanted to hear your audio, if you go to YouTube and do a call letter search for KC9VKV, followed by the word logbook, that will take you to this recording. This will be cut number 1 in a series of 2,200 some odd Qso-Vlog aircheck recordings, and we'll have it uploaded by noon tomorrow. So with that being said, we'll say 73 all, and this is KC9VKV returning the frequency to normal amateur radio use. KC9VKV clear.
73, Jim.
Really cool thing you're doing there, Victor Echo 3, Kilo, Juliet X-ray.
Thank you.